Oh, you proper swallowed it, like.
All right, I have a razor blade. I have a real razor blade. Please be careful. Don't touch here. Please, could you cut the paper out?
With this?
It's a sharpness, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I swallow the razor blade.
Then don't do that.
Oh my God.
Yummy! All right. I have more razor blade. Would you like some? No, okay. Please don't copy me. I will eat all of them. Delicious. Wow. Last one is strings.
Why does he keep eating things?
He'll never eat his dinner after this.
Wow, that is good.
Thank you.